Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out these rosykite permanent outdoor lights for houses 100 feet. These are going to be app controlled lights. So you got this 3M tape on the back of these lights here. This is a permanent deal here, so pretty cool. Let's plug it in and check it out, shall we? All right, so right off the bat, they start going in this little cycle. We also have these little attachments. You can screw these in. So it comes with a remote as well if you don't want to use an app, but this can be synced to music. You can just have just purple, blue, red, color, just white if you want. So not only these put out some pretty good lights, so they could just be like regular outdoor lights, or use them like Christmas lights if you want to, and sync them to music. So if there's no noise, they'll stop, but if there's more noise, then they'll flash and light up, which is pretty cool. Almost like a security light. If you had nothing going on and then someone ran by, your lights are gonna light up like crazy. So that's pretty cool. You can do the different modes on here. We're just gonna go cycle through your lights. You can speed it up, you can slow it down. You can do dimmer, you can do brighter. Just a lot of cool things. I'm gonna actually set these up and we'll check out the house at night. It's gonna be really neat, guys. So we'll see you in a second. Okay friends, here it is. It is nice and dark outside, so we can see these. And I'll just show you a bunch of these different colors. So we got yellow, and it's going all the way down there, and then blue. Here we go, purple if we want, and just keep changing them. And not only that, we have the different modes, so we could switch, put the auto mode in here, and the lights are like dancing. Looks really cool under the eaves, I think, for sure. And we could switch them to different colors, switch the mode, switch the speed of the mode, and just switch everything. And it looks pretty amazing, I think. And you could set them to music as well. There's just a bunch of different things that they can do. So anyways, my friends, thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see y'all next time.